Hello again my darlings. As game developers, we often need to take screenshots in arbitrary sizes. For example, if you plan to upload your game to several stores, is likely that you would need to provide screenshots at different resolutions, some of which may be incompatible with your hardware. You could use some image editing software to make one size fit all. But that won't reflect how your game would actually look like in the various screen sizes. On this episode I'll show you how to take screenshots on any size. However, this method has a catch. If you want to include your UI, you have to set your canvas render mode to screen space camera and the render camera to the one with this script attached. You will be able to save images in JPG and PNG file formats. To save the file, we need the name of the folder that will contain the images, a file name for the image, the file format, and the resolution in pixels. Please make sure the folder exists before running this script. On the editor, always finish any folder names with a slash. To take the picture, first get a reference to the camera. Create a new render texture of the required size, and force the camera to render to it instead of the screen. If the game is playing, allow a 1-frame delay for the canvas UI elements to adjust to the new size before saving the image. Otherwise, save the image right away. You can take snapshots in edit mode, but if you want to include the UI you must do it on play mode. To save the file, force the camera to render. Create a texture to retrieve the image. Read the pixels from the render texture. Apply changes. Assemble the file name and format the image according to the specified file format. Write the file, and restore the camera to render to screen again. To add the button that triggers the snapshot, we need an editor script. Please remember, this script must be stored in a folder named editor, otherwise it won't work. This class derives from editor. We're creating a custom editor for the screenshot mono behavior. I always use the word editor followed of the name of the script to name this classes. To hook into the Unity's UI, we have to override the onInspectorGUI method. We don't want to modify anything before the button appears, so we draw the default UI and then we add a button for taking the picture. And if the button is pressed, we get a reference to the mono behavior been edited and then call the takePicture method. And with that, you will be able to take screenshots in any size. This is all the time I have for this episode. If you have doubts, please let me know in the comments section down below. If you found this video useful, please like and share. And consider subscribing if you haven't done it yet. These are free and easy ways in which you can support this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I'm April McQueen. Cheers my darlings.